Here I have Honor X7, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then when you adjust to normal photo mode, what you have to do is to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So I just hold it and now the burst shot is on. So as you can see right now I took like 21 shot. Here we can review them all and select the one that fits us best. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.